Apps crashing as soon as you open them? Try these quick fixes. Close all open apps. Start by closing any apps currently open. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle. This will open the app switcher. Swipe through the apps and close them by swiping each app preview upward. Check your iPhone's storage. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Select iPhone Storage. Check how much free storage space you have remaining. If your storage is nearly full, apps may struggle to run properly and could crash. Scroll down and select an app you no longer need. Tap Offload App or Delete App to free up space while keeping its documents and data. You can also remove unnecessary photos, videos, downloads, and other large files. Update iOS. Go back to the General Settings page. Tap Software Update. Wait while your iPhone checks for available updates. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest available version of iOS. iOS updates often include bug fixes and compatibility improvements that can resolve app crashes. Offload and reinstall the problem app. Go back to the iPhone storage page. Find and select the app that's causing the problem. For example, if Instagram keeps crashing, tap Instagram. Tap Offload App. Tap Offload App again to confirm. This removes the app itself while keeping its documents and data. Once it's offloaded, tap Reinstall App. Wait for the app to download and install again. Reinstalling can replace damaged app files and may resolve temporary bugs or glitches. Reset all settings. Go back to the main settings page. Here, tap on General. Scroll to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Then select Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode when prompted. Tap Reset all settings again to confirm. This won't delete your photos, videos, apps, or other personal data. However, system settings and preferences will return to their defaults. Force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button. Keep holding until the screen turns black and the Apple logo appears. Release the side button. Wait for your iPhone to finish restarting. Hopefully, one of these methods fix the app crashing issue, and that's it.